Linda Robson has dismissed rumors of a feud with her former Birds of a Feather co-star and longtime friend, Pauline Quirke. The Loose Women star, who has been friends with Pauline for over 50 years, insisted there's no bad blood between them. Despite reports suggesting a fallout when Pauline decided to leave the popular sitcom, Linda confirmed they're still good pals. Speaking to Mail Plus, she reminisced about their childhood friendship that blossomed into a successful acting partnership, with Birds of a Feather becoming as popular as Only Fools and Horses in the 1980s. When ITV commissioned a Christmas episode in 2020 and Pauline chose not to return, Linda admitted she was upset but assured it would ruin their friendship. She admitted, "I'm not going to lie and say Leslie and I weren't disappointed. Of course we were. We were gutted and we couldn't imagine going on without her. We were a trio, how could it possibly work without any one of us? But at the same time as all that sadness, there was acceptance and understanding, too." She also admitted that she had a sense Pauline was going to leave, stating, "It had a feeling she was building up to telling us. You don't have a friendship spanning more than 50 years and not get a sense for what each other is thinking." She then claimed Pauline said, "I don't want to act anymore. It's not Birds of a Feather itself, it's everything. I feel like I'm done with it. I feel bad for you too, but you can go on without me." Linda also addressed the rumors of a fallout, saying, "Sure enough, the headlines were predictable, saying there was a feud and bad blood and that shed quit because we were no longer speaking. It's such bulls asterisk asterisk. We tried to ignore it but it was difficult when it was all we were ever asked about." Linda has always been firm in her stance, stating that her friendship with Pauline was stronger than any TV show. They had been there for each other through thick and thin and for every single major life event. In 2022, they joined up with their Birds of a Feather co-star Leslie Joseph for lunch in London, which seemed to silence any rumors about them falling out. According to Linda, "We had our photo taken together and I got my daughter Roberta to upload it to my Instagram, captioning it, 'A lovely lunch with my beautiful friends.' It was our way of saying, there you go, that'll shut you up."